Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use GatesFX. In order to do so, here we are at gatesfx.com. And what is GatesFX all about? Well, trade global markets, pay less per trade. A Forex broker that meets the demands of modern traders without compromise. Trade Forex, metals, crypto, stocks, and more with raw spreads, fast execution on multiple platforms. Open an account that fits your strategy. 2-hour withdrawal guarantee. MetaTrader 5, Trade Locker, and you can come here in order to start trading. Let's just scroll down here. Why traders choose GatesFX. CFD trading the way it was meant to be. Fast, reliable, low cost per trade. Trade over 300 plus assets across global markets. Unlimited use, 100% deposit bonus. 1 to 1,000 leverage on MT5 and Trade Locker. So you can click here to start trading. Choose your edge. Choose the account type that matches your trading style. From ultra tight spreads to powerful execution and flexible leverage, GatesFX gives you the edge you need to trade your way. So you can open your account here. We've got the STP standard, ECN raw spread, and the 100% deposit bonus. So whichever one it is that appeals to you, you can come here to gatesfx.com and get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you in your business and offers tailored insights to help you and your business succeed. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, you can get $50 to open up an account if you click on the link in the link tree, and $125 per referral if you refer your friends and family. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Check to see if it's available in your area.